In this video, I'm going to show you what to do when stylish font is not available on your Instagram. So first, let's go to our Play Store and make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So go to Instagram. Mine is updated already, and if yours is not updated, instead of open, what will show here is install update or update. Now, if after updating, stylish font is still not available on Instagram, what you want to do is to install Super VPN. And we want this Super VPN free VPN client. Once again, if this is not yet installed in your device, instead of open, what will show up is install. So once you've installed this, tap on open and then just tap on continue and then tap on allow and then just tap on continue again, and then just want the free version, and then just tap on connect and then just tap on OK, close the ad. So now that we are connected in the VPN, what we are gonna do is to uninstall Instagram in our device. So go to Play Store, go to Instagram and then tap uninstall. So let's confirm it. And once Instagram is uninstalled, while you're running your VPN, you want to install it again. And once Instagram is installed, you just want to open it. Log into your account. And once you've done that, go to your story. And Instagram's stylish font will now be ready for you. And Instagram's stylish fonts will now be ready for you. And that is what you do when stylish font is not available on Instagram story. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.